here I am getting it tested. What's this lady doing? Jerry, do you want to get tested too? You want to get tested? Get the Pfizer, get the COVID test? Yes. Oh, g'day. Yeah, not bad. Alright. I haven't got a pen. I got a pen. Jerry, you want to fill it out? Alright. Medicare number, no idea. Here we go. Jerry. Here we go. Jerry. How come he gets to go? Oh. This way.
Right to the left and inside the
Oh yeah, no worries. Oh yeah. Jerry. Alright. This one? Oh yeah.
Move out from the table a bit, mate. Just run over the plate.
Jerry, we're here. Oh yeah, that's it. No worries. Alright. Oh. I've never had one before. Don't they stuff it right? Oh, that's. I thought they stick it right up.
Oh, we don't.
You don't do that anymore. Alright.
They do other places, but not here.
Oh yeah. Can dogs get tested? Jerry, do you want to get a COVID test? No. I saw on the computer, on the TV, they were giving Pfizer to animals.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
That's a bit weird. A text message. All right, thanks. No worries. I'll see ya. That was it. That wasn't that bad, Jerry. I thought I'd get the thing stuck right up my nose, Jerry, but it's not too bad. It wasn't that bad, was it? A little swab up the nose. I should have trimmed my nose hair. Anyway, we'll find out in 2 days whether I've got COVID calamari. COVID calamari, Jerry, or in Italy, as they say in Italy, cornuto. This is the better drive-through, Jerry. They don't do COVID testing here. Actually, they should do COVID testing here.